Hi folks, today I'm going to be doing some eco printing, which I've gathered a whole bunch of flowers and plants from the nearby park and I've laid them out on scoured and allumed 100% cotton fabric, and I've got some rose petal, some wildflowers, some oak there, some blackberry, which is tannin rich, some willow, also tannin rich. It's really just an experiment to see what happens with some of these other seeds, wildflower seeds, and various leaves that I've still got to identify a few of them. There's some cherry there, and over here I've got some hawthorn, and it's really fun. It's like you can actually see some of the dye coming out of the tea that I've sprinkled, the berry tea that I've sprinkled over, which is fabulous. I'm going to get a good result from that. And also rhubarb, those little flecks are rhubarb tea, which is also tannin rich. So yeah, I'm going to roll it up tightly and bind it with elastic bands, and then steam it over a pot of hot water, boiling water, for 1.5 hours to 2 hours, and see what result get. Hi, this is muslin, also scoured and allumed, and I have got some avocado skin, there is some tea, cherry, fruit, and also more rhubarb, oak leaves, and some 2 types of willow. So I'm going to roll up that, and yes, all the plant material has been soaked in copper sulfate, which is also a mordant. So I'm going to see how that goes in the steam bath as well. So folks, now for the really exciting bit, the reveal. So I've taken these dyed cloths out of the steam bath that they were in for 1.5 hours, and I'm just going to open up the muslin one. So bear with me, because oh, this is so exciting. It is like, you know, doing something really special like Christmas present or something like that. And you see that there's colours already coming through on the material. And I'm going to stretch it out over the table. I'll just move this one over out the way. So yeah, I have found this craft just recently, and it's been around for about 15 years. And yeah, it is super exciting. It smells wonderful too, all the teas in it on the muslin here. So here we are, nearly ready to unwrap it. Okay, so here we go. Yeah. Pretty lovely. Oh, some prints. You can see of all the different items I had in there. There's some colour as well from the yellow flowers. The only thing that hasn't really printed that great at all are the leaves, although there are some imprints, but not many. And I had some avocado at the end here, so we'll see what that looks like as well. But I'm just going to shake that, so bear with me a minute. Just move all that out. Just going to shake it out. Whoa! Nearly fell down the step there. Don't want to do that. And I'll clear all this away here. Like that. And lay out the cloth again for you to have a look at. So it's really mainly the tea that has got these gorgeous prints. I'm just going to take the camera and move in a bit closer. Yeah, some fantastic prints there. So I will do the other cloth as well. So I'll just remove that. Get this one unbundled. So yeah, I mean, it's just a big experiment. This one has got a lot more leaves in it, so I'm really hoping to get leaf prints from it, as well as the tea in there. And like I said, I did scour the fabric beforehand and put alum on it, so it would help the plant materials absorb into the fabric. So here we go. So right side and slowly unwrap it, and yeah, again, actually there's some markings from the elastics as well, which is quite fun. Oh yeah, I've got some good leaf prints down here. These must have been the wondering which leaves these are actually. Just do, if you can see all that being unraveled, I'm going to take the camera and I'm going to go and zero in on some of the wonderful leaf prints that are there. And I'm going to have to identify those later because I've actually forgotten which leaves went where. So in the first part of the video, at the start, it showed where each leaves were. So yeah, there is more imprints of leaves down there, and colour from, I think it's quite a bit of colour from this wonderful willow, the yellow willow. Again, I shall identify that. So I'm going to shake it out again